Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll explore what coding really means, why it's so powerful, and how just a few lines of code can turn ideas into real apps, games, and even AI. Computers are fast, powerful, and everywhere, but they can't think for themselves. They only do exactly what we tell them to. Coding is how we give them those instructions. Coding is a language we use to communicate with computers. Just like English or any other language has grammar rules, coding languages have their own rules too, called syntax. With coding, you move from being just a user of apps and games to becoming a creator. Apps like TikTok, WhatsApp, and Fortnite were built with code. There are many different coding languages, each for different purposes. Scratch is beginner friendly and visual. Python is simple, powerful, and widely used, from websites to artificial intelligence, while JavaScript makes websites more interactive. Later, you'll see how learning one language helps you pick up others. Coding follows a logic cycle. You give an input, the computer processes it step by step, and it gives an output. This logical flow is why coding is so precise, so you must be clear and exact. Here's your first real program in Python. When you run this, the computer prints exactly what you told it to. Hello world. From here, you can build bigger programs such as games, apps, or even AI. Okay, now think about something you love a robot to do, like making breakfast or cleaning your room. Write down the exact steps it would need. This is the start of thinking like a coder. In essence, coding is the language of computers. It turns ideas into apps, games, and solutions. It requires step by step precision, and with just a few lines, you can bring your imagination to life. Next, we'll dive deeper into how to think like a computer through something called algorithm. Thank you.